Okay guys, so this is a quick set of videos for those of you who either couldn't make it to tutoring or just need an extra little review so that you know what exactly we're covering. So the first thing I want to do is go over some chemical quantities that we've been going over in class. So we're going to do some simple ones, very short little clips here so that you can see which ones you've been missing. So I want to start with the conversion from grams to mole. Okay, this is an easy conversion, and this is the one that requires the periodic table. Okay, so you'll end up needing to look, I don't know if I could spell periodic, for the atomic mass of whatever element we're looking for. And these are going to start off simple with basically your individual elements on their own. So if we start with, I want to take 64.67 grams of potassium, okay, and we're going to convert that into moles of potassium, okay. That's an easy one. So remember, we need to know the conversion factor first. So in order to figure that out, we have to go to the periodic table. And so if you look at your periodic table, here's an enlarged version of it. Potassium has a atomic mass of 39.10. So that's the number we're going to use for our conversion factor. I always like to write them down first. So that's 39.10, and that's still in grams of potassium, which is K, and that becomes 1 mole of potassium, which is also K. So from there, you can actually set it up. And remember, we have to set up our large conversion factor. That works easiest with this. So I know these are simple problems that you want to just add, subtract, multiply, divide, but you need to show your work, and doing it with this method pretty much clears up, because then clears it up so that you can see what units are being shown. So we start with what's given at the beginning. So that's this number right here. That's 64.67 grams of potassium. And we set up our conversion factor, and we put what we want as our unit on the top. So that's going to be this set of numbers. And so moles will go up here. So we'll have 1 mole of potassium. And then we're going to put our grams on the bottom, because that's what we already have we're trying to get rid of. So that's 39.10 grams of potassium there. And this is a one-step problem, so we can put our equals. And it's really great because we can then cancel the units we don't want. And that's why I like using, I have you guys use these steps so that you keep your units straight and you know exactly what you're going to end up with. So let me scoot that over there. So if you look at this, you end up basically canceling this out, and then mathematically speaking, it becomes a very simple problem of anything that's on top we multiply, anything that's on bottom we divide. So here it's going to be 64.67 times 1 divided by 39.10. So if we type that into our calculator, divided by 39.10, then I end up getting 1 point, and it's 653 on my calculator, but you want to round to our 10th is what we've been doing in class, and we're going to keep it that way. So that should be 1.65 moles of potassium still. Okay,